We're taking winner chicken dinner to the next level.
Basted with this amazing sweet and savory teriyaki sauce and baked to absolute perfection.
Every bite is a taste sensation.
Made even better with a little extra teriyaki sauce. Always better.
Those are words to live by. This is, I tell you, talk about the winner chicken dinner. Teriyaki, it's got that sweet, it's got that salty, savory. It's so good.
So good.
It's just perfect. All right, I'm gonna get
sticky.
It is. Okay, I'm going. It's sticky and sweet.
Yeah.
We just saw Madonna, by the way. Okay, so anyway, we digress. We are going to make this teriyaki sauce, and this is a table. I've got a tablespoon of olive oil, heated over medium heat in my medium-sized saucepan, and I just added a tablespoon of chopped garlic and a tablespoon of one of my favorite things in the world, chopped ginger.
Awesome.
We're gonna let that get nice and tender. Now talk chicken.
So yeah, I've been marinating this chicken for about an hour in the fridge. It is, the marinade is half a cup of soy sauce and then a tablespoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of minced ginger, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. So, and then I whisked it all together, and then I got my chicken, which is 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, put them into a bag, and then I added that soy sauce, and then I squished it all around, got them good and juicy, and put it in the fridge for that hour. And now I'm going to put these on this lined baking, or it's a cookie, or it's a baking sheet.
A baking sheet lined with foil. He hasn't been drinking, I promise. I don't think.
I've got a cooking rack here, a baking rack.
Okay, boy, it's a challenge.
I just want to stand here and look pretty.
Well, okay.
Oh wait,
Okay.
I need something. I don't have the.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, we're doing great today. So now I've added to my sauteed garlic and ginger, I added a half a cup of soy sauce. This was just a half a cup of mirin, which is Japanese cooking wine, and nowadays it's so easy to find. I find it in my local supermarket here in North Texas, and it's no problem. This really adds a depth of flavor. This is a quarter cup of pineapple juice. That's right, you heard me right, pineapple juice. And then so
That's so good.
We've got the savory. Now we're going to add a little of the sweet, and that mirin has a sweetness to it. You may be wondering, well, what if I can't find mirin? I'll give you some substitutes. You could use sherry, is pretty good. But I'm telling you, I'll also have links to it. You can order it online. How you doing there?
I'm doing good. I'm almost got them.
So
It's a good thing you're a part of this, because this would take me an hour.
It is a good thing. I appreciate you saying that. So, okay, that came to a boil, which is nice. So now I am going to make something that's very common in Asian cooking, which is a cornstarch slurry. What this does is it just acts as a thickener. Okay, I'm going to turn that down. That's boiling, and it smells amazing.
Yes.
Okay, I've got about a tablespoon of just cool water in here, and I'm going to add, this is about a tablespoon of cornstarch, and you just mix that up.
I got some little bits of garlic and ginger on this chicken, so I just want to kind of brush it off with a paper towel.
Now, you may be wondering, can I do this with boneless, skinless chicken thighs? Of course. You can do it with boneless, skinless chicken breasts as well. They'll cook a little less time. Okay, so now
we're gonna cook this for. Oh, you got your slurry going.
Yeah, okay. You can go ahead and put that in the oven.
Well, yeah, I just wanted to. So we're gonna cook it at 350 for about
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 to 35 minutes.
Are we gonna use that Thermopro for anything?
Yes, we are. So you see how this has already turned into a nice thick glaze. That happened really very quickly.
That is so good. We're gonna use our Thermopro. There's a link for it in the bio of or in the description of the YouTube, and also in the blog post, but we're going to use this till it gets to 165.
Yes, so that is their new Lightning Instant Read. It is a game changer. I live by it, and you guys, we have a special discount for our How to Feed a Loon. So click on the link.
Ooh, I'm hot. I'm 90 degrees.
Ooh, you are hot.
Oh no, that's 98.6. Oh, I'm always running cool.
Anyway, we're having a good time today. So you see how this is nice and thick, and
that's awesome.
You can do this while this is baking. It can just sit, and we're going to put half of it on, and then bake it to perfection, and then we're going to leave the rest for plunging. Yay! Oh, the smell
Smells amazing.
It really does. So, okay, this has been going about 35 minutes, 40 minutes almost. Look at that, and that looked beautiful. I'm going to use my Thermal Pro and just check to make sure Wesley said 165. That's where we want to end up at.
Yeah, right.
But we're
that was 159. That was good.
Yeah, so really what we want to do is we're not going to get quite to the temperature yet because we're going to, look at that. Doesn't that look amazing?
Yeah.
Finish it up. Here, we got to change the temperature.
Oh, there, I'll do that. You can taste.
Now we're going to crank up the heat to $425. I always say that. 425 degrees. It's going to taste like $1 million.
It'll taste like $425.
Like this should cost $425.
Can I help?
Yes, please.
All right, here.
So now you really
Do I
want
want to do the underside too?
Sure.
Okay.
So now you can see what we did, and we've got these two bowls.
Oh, there we go. Get it all
These two bowls. We divided the sauce into two bowls because you definitely want to have some to serve tableside. So you can this chicken is so good when you dip it into the teriyaki sauce. So we have done that.
Yes, look at that.
So we're going
on the inside, underside.
Underside, do the tops and the bottoms. And we're going to let this get up to 425 degrees, and then we just stick it in the oven for another 10 minutes until it gets really dark brown, almost crispy on the edges. And then it's time to eat.
That's right.
Yum. The moment has come. I am so excited.
This chicken dinner is my favorite chicken dinner.
I think we say that every time.
Look at that.
But isn't that gorgeous? Doesn't that look just
phenomenal? And it is just sizzling.
It is sizzling. Okay, I'm going to, just because, this sauce is so good, I'm going to hit it with just a little more. And then we've divvied out a little bit into smaller little bowls. So
yes, we have our own little serving for Dunkin' purposes.
So your individual guests can have their own. They can dip to their heart's content.
We've got some jasmine rice that we're going to put these on a bed of.
We made some jasmine rice, which is, you can serve this however you want. Do you have one in particular?
Nope, I don't have anything in mind.
Okay. Except
eating. Just don't throw it.
I would never.
Yum.
Okay, now don't eat that without me.
I'm not going to. I'm just getting it all centered.
Now, as always, dishes are made even better with a little garnishes.
Yes!
So we've got some toasted sesame seed. Fabulous.
That's
a little on mine. I do too. It gives a little texture, gives a little flavor, and then some chopped scallions.
Yes!
I'm screaming. Okay, and then now I need a hearing aid. Okay.
I love this.
The moment has finally arrived. And actually, you see, that wasn't hard to make at all.
Sorry, I just want to make sure everybody can see your dish, Chris.
Yes.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, give me that fork and knife.
Here we go. Hold on.
I got my dipping sauce.
Everybody can see it. There we go.
Oh boy, that looks like restaurant quality, and it's perfect for like a weeknight.
Oh,
I'm excited. Let's go in.
Yes, I'm sure that it's going to be.
Oh, and the chicken is so tender.
Oh wow. Oh, I'm getting.
I was going to say, Wesley said that we marinated this for an hour. It was a little longer than an hour. If you've got the time, marinate it overnight. Then you're really going to love the results. But this is so flavorful. I'm dipping.
I'm going in. I'm showing the people how I dip. Oh, that's a big one.
That's all right. The sauce is not hot, so it'll cool it off a little bit.
Oops. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
I really dipped that.
You're a real dipper.
All right, let me get some of that on my rice.
Oh yeah. Okay, Wesley, it takes you
I know,
so long.
All right, I'm going in.
Wow. The second it hits your taste buds just go, hello. Phenomenal.
Why, that's a little sweet and savory.
Terry.
That is yucky.
So every time we make this, we're like, I can't believe
it is my favorite chicken dinner ever.
Is it really? Would you say it's your favorite? We make a lot of chicken dinners here on How to Feed a Loon.
No, this is pretty amazing.
Mm-hmm. I think it might be my favorite.
It is. It's just that sauce is just unbelievable. Unbelievable.
It all just works together so perfect.
And I love using the chicken pie.
Yeah, I do too. The dark meat really, there's a flavor that it goes so wonderful with the sauce. But again, like we said, you can use chicken breasts. You can use, we did it with chicken wings. we're getting the chicken dance over here. You know?
That is 100,000% Loon approved. Even more.
I was gonna say, I thought.
It's so. I don't know. It's just so.
It's just really good.
I want to swear, but I'm not going to swear.
All right, you guys, we love you so much. You should make teriyaki chicken.
Make some teriyaki.
And if you swear, we won't judge you.
And then call somebody and say, is Terry there? Yaki?
All right, bye, everybody. That was so not even funny. All right, bye.